In this video, I'll show you how to download Google Docs on your iPhone. So open up Google Docs and then select any document or open any document. Then what you have to do is tap on these three dots from the top right corner. Now just go to Share and Export. From here, tap on Send a Copy. Then select Word. Then tap on OK. Now it is going to prepare that file. And here you can see the save option, save to files. So just tap here and then tap on Save from the top right. And we have just saved that file or downloaded that file onto our iPhone. And if we open up our Files app, we can see that the file is now in here, and from here you can share it with anyone you like. And that is how you can download Google Docs on your iPhone or a Google Doc on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.